I saw him naked on a hill above a world of gold, and coming by so still, the sheep within his fold. He strode along that golden air, a rosy-bodied fool, with wonder dripping dreams as fair as starlight